Matter is made up of small particles. First of all, what is matter? Matter is anything which occupies space, which has mass, and can be perceived by our senses. So, matter is divided into three types. The first one, solids, the second one, liquids, the third one, gases. Matter is, that means solids, liquids, and gases are made up of small particles. Small particles. The green colored rounded ones, these are all small particles. Okay, in solids, the small particles of matter are very close together and touch each other. The particles are so close that not much movement can take place in between them. Now, liquids. In liquids, the small particles of matter are a little farther apart when compared to solids. So, they don't touch each other. There is more space in between them when compared to solids. So, the particles have more freedom of movement than solids. They can move in the spaces in between them, pushing other particles, colliding, that means hitting with them, changing the direction constantly. Now, gases. In gases, the small particles of matter are still farther apart when compared to liquids. They don't touch each other. There is more space in between the particles when compared to liquids. So the particles have maximum freedom of movement. They can move in the spaces in between them, pushing other particles, colliding with them, that means hitting them and changing the direction constantly. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the difference between solids, liquids and gases. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.